Hello, my name is Jacob Frost, and I'll be showing you one of the tasks I chose for my usability test comparing Idaho Fish and Game versus Oregon Fish and Wildlife websites. My task was to examine technical reports. On the Idaho website, it was easier to find compared to Oregon's website. First, you want to click on the Science tab, and then click on Technical Reports. This will give you a variety of different reports, such as fisheries, wildlife, and others. If you click on these, they'll bring you to PDFs of all the reports you can read. On the Oregon site, it was more difficult to find. You have to use the search box and type in reports to find the technical reports. Click on Annual Reports, and this site only offers a limited amount of reports. By clicking on one of these annual reports, it'll open to a PDF. And that is the task I chose for my usability test, comparing Idaho Fish and Game versus Oregon Fish and Wildlife website.